The Ninja Creami is the perfect kitchen appliance for making fresh fruit sorbet. Today we're showing you 3 of our favorite flavor combinations we can't get enough of this summer. Watermelon lime, mango pineapple, and strawberry lemonade sorbets, each made with just 2 to 3 ingredients, no added sugar, nothing artificial. If you don't have a Ninja Creami yet, it's a great time to get one. Costco has them on sale and they're great for making not only sorbet, but also ice cream, frozen drinks, and more. This video is not sponsored. We've purchased our own machine and are just sharing our unbiased joy. So come hang out in the kitchen with us and I'll show you just how easy it is to make delicious homemade sorbet in the Ninja Creami. We're starting things off with our watermelon lime sorbet. For this, you'll want 1 pound of watermelon, which is about half of one of these cute mini ones. We'll remove the rind and cut this into chunks to fit it into our blender, removing any black seeds we come across. This recipe is not only refreshing and delicious, it's also incredibly healthy as it only has 3 simple ingredients. Our fresh watermelon is brightened by the juice of 1 juicy lime, which we'll add to the blender. And we'll also add a couple tablespoons of this allulose monk fruit blend to add a little extra sweetness. This is an all-natural alternative to sugar that is not only sugar-free, but also has 0 calories and it tastes great. You will not be able to tell the difference between this and real sugar in this sorbet. And if you want a sorbet without any sweeteners at all, stay tuned for our 2-ingredient mango pineapple flavor. So we'll blend this up for about 10 seconds, just puree it all together, and we'll pour it into our Ninja Creami freezer container and pop it into the freezer overnight to freeze solid. Now let's clean up and get ready for sorbet number 2, our 2-ingredient mango pineapple. This recipe is our family's favorite. It has such a vibrant tropical flavor and a rich, creamy texture. Plus, there's no added sweetener whatsoever, just pure fruit and juice. So for this, we'll peel and chunk 1 large ripe mango. Alternatively, you could use frozen pre-cut mango if you like. And to that, we'll add a small 8-ounce can of pineapple juice. And that's it. We'll puree this together. Pour it into one of our Ninja Creami freezer containers and freeze it overnight. So simple, and you're going to love this one. It's ridiculously delicious. All right, now for sorbet number 3, we're making a strawberry lemonade flavor. And it's not just a strawberry lemonade flavor, we are literally making strawberry lemonade and freezing it into a sorbet. We're starting with 5 ounces of strawberries, and we didn't have fresh strawberries today, so we're using frozen, which will work just fine too. And to that, we're adding juice from 2 fresh lemons. I like to use a strainer to avoid having to fish out any seeds. And to balance out the tartness of that lemon juice, we're also using our allulose monk fruit sweetener again as a natural sweetener, using 1/3 cup for this recipe. And then about 1.5 cups of water for our liquid. And then you know the drill, we puree it all together. Pour it into a Ninja Creami freezer container and freeze it overnight. Enjoy any leftover strawberry lemonade, and we'll see you tomorrow to creamify our sorbets. The time has come. Let's bust out our Ninja Creami and creamify our sorbets. One pro tip is when you pull your frozen container out of the freezer is to run it under warm water. This isn't absolutely necessary, but it will help to release the frozen edges so you can get all the deliciousness out of the container. Just drop your container into the outer bowl, pop on the lid, twist it up to lock it into place. We're making a full container, so we'll select full, then simply turn the knob to the preset sorbet setting and push start. This first churn will take just 4 minutes. After the first churn, the mixture is chopped up but still icy, so we're going to take a moment to quickly scrape down the sides, then pop it back on to re-spin. This is a shorter 2-minute setting, but is going to get our sorbet to a nice creamy state. And there it is, watermelon lime sorbet ready to enjoy. And we'll just repeat that process for our other 2 sorbets. After processing, these sorbets will stay creamy for a bit in the freezer. However, if you have to leave them overnight, you will want to respin them again and refresh the texture. What I like most about the Ninja Creami is that you prep your ingredients ahead of time, then when you're ready, your sorbet or whatever you're making is ready in minutes. We've had ours for 2 years now and we've gotten lots of use out of it, and it's still going strong, so it seems to be a really well-built machine that will last. And thank goodness, because now I'm hooked on these sorbets. This mango pineapple flavor in particular is everyone's favorite. It's so incredibly creamy, it's really hard to believe that there's no heavy cream or sugar. Just pure mango and pineapple juice tastes so good. This one is a must try. Now, what other flavors do you think we should do next? Drop us your suggestions in the comments. We're always looking for inspiration. If you'd like to see more Ninja Creami recipes, let us know in the comments. We hope you found some inspiration to go make your own homemade sorbet, and thank you for watching and hanging out with us today. If you made it this far, drop this video a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more family favorite recipes. Have a beautiful summer and happy home cooking!